ducks.
Look at the ducks! Oh my goodness!
These are the ones that headbutt you.
Look at this Billy go! Oh my gosh, they're all coming over here. They think you're gonna feed them.
Come here, Billy. Billy. They all have names.
Oh my goodness. I got you on evidence right here.
Busted. There's some fresh raccoon tracks over the little culvert, so.
Fresh raccoon tracks, so that it's gonna grab that chicken.
Where's the water at?
Are you getting you wet, Daddy?
It was getting the fish wet.
You
Fish
wet?
hate water. Not really. Inside the guts?
That was in
That's
his
a stomach.
There you go. That was it.
Dude.
Look at his lunch, babe.
It's a baby.
Whoa!
It's a baby fish.
You got like the lottery, man.
Look at that. That is awesome.
That is just the most disgusting thing I've ever seen.
Baby
That's the
fish.
coolest. Little perch? That's a little perch.
She's like, that's the fish.
That thing munched on that whole thing.
Ooh.
Isn't that crazy how that fish ate that? Yeah, like nothing.
On this bowl. There you go. He's never done this before. This literally is the first time, right babe? First time filleting a fish. We are in Chico, Texas, on a farm that breeds.
Fish.
What kind of fish is this? Tilapia? No, it doesn't breed. Bass. This is a bass.
We don't breed them, they just live here.
Rent
They
free.
live, yeah, exactly. They live in the tank.
Rent free. They don't breed them. They're waiting to be caught
Mm-hmm.
and filleted.
Yeah,
You and I are gonna be
And from here on out, I will know you forever.
I will trust you.
We'll see eye to eye.
Aw, it's like a marriage vow. Ew, what is that?
Eyes. Does that break the pack? Does that break
What
the pack?
happened?
Warm, raw oyster, gel.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Crunch.
With the crunch.
yeah.
Probably shouldn't have shooted.
You probably shouldn't have cheated.
Like a oyster. Just strip it down. Get it gone.
Like an oyster, raw oyster.
Get it gone.
If you like our videos, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And leave us a comment. We love hearing from you.
Follow our videos on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Light, camper, action!